It's your boy DJ Gang Gang.
And it's your girl Ashley Gang Gang Gang. I'm just playing. I'm not even gonna do it. But you guys, what are we here with today?
So today we is doing the Body Scissor Master Lock Escape Challenge.
We figured that I'd be the escaper and he'd be the one, you know, putting me in the positions because it just be more challenging and funnier that way. So yeah. And my head hurts because we just did the, what is it called? The face sitting challenge. You guys, I have a headache.
Yeah.
So make sure you guys go check that out because that will be posted before this video.
Yeah, we'll leave that link in the description box below for you guys so you can go check it out.
Yeah.
Anyways, so
if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment below for more challenges, for things you guys would love to see us do. We're gonna do it.
Yeah. Hey man, we love you guys.
We love you. Thanks for your support.
You just made me in the face.
Stop.
Stop.
Okay.
Alright y'all, so we about to go ahead and get into this challenge.
Let's get into this challenge.
Alright, babe. You got 2 minutes to escape. Alright? Shut up.
Stop.
Shut up.
Get off me.
Alright.
You
ready?
Be gentle, I'm not playing.
You ready?
Yes.
Alright. Alright. Let me get my hand back.
If I say tap out, I mean it.
Alright.
Be careful for real. I'm not fucking
Come
playing,
on.
I'm human. I'm a girl,
3,
remember?
2, 1, go.
Don't be pushing harder either. Cause if I'm almost out, then I'm almost out. That counts. Ow! Oh my god, oh my god.
You gotta get out.
Why are you laughing?
Because this is funny.
Ow!
You're not gonna escape. You can't escape the death trenches of DJ.
Oh my god!
Oh, you're giving me a workout. You're giving me a workout. Really? Really?
Get off before I pinch you. I'm gonna pass gas just so you let me go. I'm about to pass gas. Okay. Ow. What's over here? Let go. Stop yelling. Can you stop yelling? You
got 30 seconds.
Okay, but you need to stop yelling because you ain't the one who's trapped. For real. Stop it. You're breaking my concentration.
No.
Ow. For real.
You got 30 seconds. I'm laughing. I'm laughing because this is ridiculous.
Stop.
You got 15 seconds.
Oh, my arm. Okay. Oh.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna be sore in the morning.
You is funny, babe. Yo. Alright.
That's so funny. That really hurt. No.
Would you say you successfully made it out? Did you escape?
Yes. No, if you would never like did it all the way back, like.
That's how you do it.
Cause you was like, my arm was going too high and I didn't want to.
Babe,
What?
That's how you supposed to do it. That's the master lock. They call it a master lock for a reason.
I'm about to pass gas on you because I'm pissed.
Ew, you nasty.
I don't care.
Oh. Yo, she hey! She farted on me. You know what? Hey, we gotta go, y'all. Thanks for watching. We love y'all.
Make sure you hit that subscribe.
Yo,
and
peace.
Like and comment. Peace, real
squad. We out.
Subscribe.
Hit the bell. Thank you.